To the well-cleaned beef and dry fish, I added blended onions and pepper mix, then seasoning and salt. I also added some chopped frozen onions. Use fresh one if you have. This is the best way I store my onions to avoid spoilage. Then I scooped some red oil and added to the pot. I stirred very well, cover and allow to cook. To soften the dry bitter leaves, I added little baking soda and hot water, then allowed to soak for at least 15 minutes. Afterwards, wash and set aside. And this is the main ingredients, groundnuts. I blended very well and added to the pot. I also added little water, stirred and cover and allowed to cook on a low medium heat until oil starts floating on top. Do you see that? The groundnut is well cooked. So I added locust bean, known as iru, and crayfish. Be generous, add as much as you want. So this is the bitter leaf. They are no longer too strong and you can slice yours if you want. But I love my bitter leaf long. I stirred, tested and allowed to simmer for a few minutes. Have you liked my video? Please like, subscribe and turn on your notification button so as to be notified once I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to share to reach more people. Now our soup is ready. Isn't that looking yummy? It is. This is one soup I don't enjoy as a kid, but as an adult, my taste bond was readjusted. Try it if you have not. Allow egusi to rest and trust me, it tasted better and different. I served and enjoyed with my oatmeal swallow. It was so delicious. Please tell me in the comment section, will you be trying this? And also stay tuned with us if you love local dishes and healthy meals. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and also invite your family and friends to come and watch us. And also subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching. This food was so yummy. I enjoyed it with my family. Bye.